Are you tired of battling stubborn fat that refuses to budge, no matter how hard you diet and exercise? Do you dream of confidently strolling down the beach, slipping into that dress you've always admired, or finally feeling comfortable at the gym? If so, you're not alone. For many, the struggle with stubborn fat can be discouraging, especially after trying numerous miracle diets and fat dissolvers that just don't work. We're thrilled to introduce a new treatment at Pretty and Perfect Aesthetic and Skin Clinic in Edinburgh. Fat freezing is a non-surgical solution that may be your answer. In this video, we'll dive into the world of fat freezing, explore its advantages, treatment process, and address any concerns that may arise when considering this solution. What is fat freezing and how does it work? In essence, fat freezing, technically known as cryolipolysis, is a revolutionary treatment that employs controlled cooling to damage and eliminate subcutaneous fat cells. The magic lies in its ability to target fat without causing harm to the skin. The treatment involves using a portable device that suctions and lifts the specific area away from the body, isolates it for the procedure, and then slowly cools it to a temperature between -15 degrees Celsius and -5 degrees Celsius. The body's natural processes take over from here. Once the fat cells are frozen, they are gradually broken down and eliminated by the body, resulting in a slimmer, more contoured appearance. What areas can be treated? Fat freezing isn't limited to one area. It's a versatile treatment capable of targeting various trouble spots, including the abdomen, love handles, bra fat, back fat, double chin, upper arms, and more. The professional machine is equipped with customizable headers for different parts of the body, making it a fantastic choice for individuals with specific areas they wish to address. Fat freezing versus CoolSculpting. It's important to note that cryolipolysis is the scientific term for the treatment, while CoolSculpting and Crylipo are brand names of the same treatment. Understanding this distinction is crucial for making informed decisions about your treatment options. When considering CoolSculpting or Crylipo, you're essentially exploring branded and usually more expensive versions of fat freezing. Advantages of fat freezing. Affordability. When compared to surgical alternatives in Scotland, fat freezing is a cost-effective choice. Safety and comfort. Unlike surgical procedures, fat freezing does not require anesthesia or involve cuts, reducing the risk of infection. No downtime. You can return to your daily activities immediately after a fat freezing treatment, without need for taking time off to recover. Are the effects permanent? Absolutely. Once treated fat cells are gone, they're gone for good. However, it's important to note that maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle can significantly contribute to the long-term effectiveness of the treatment. Developing good habits like regular exercise, a balanced diet, and staying well hydrated can help support your body's natural processes for waste removal and enhance the lasting results of fat freezing. How many sessions are required? The number of sessions may vary depending on individual goals and target areas. Typically, a minimum of 2 sessions is required. When will you see the first effects? Most people usually start to see changes in about 2 to 6 months after their treatment. But keep in mind, the time it takes can be different for each person. It depends on things like how your metabolism works, the way you live your life, and the areas you're treating. If you do things like regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, and drink enough water, it can help speed up the process. Just remember, it's important to be patient and stick to your treatment plan. What to expect during the treatment? What does the procedure look like? During the initial consultation, the practitioner will assess any contraindications and check if the area you've chosen for fat freezing is suitable. If it is, measurements and photos will be taken to track your progress. An anti-freezing membrane will be applied to protect your skin from frostbite. The applicator will use suction to isolate the targeted area away from your body and initially heat it up slightly, then gradually cool it down to the desired temperature. The treatment is described as painless. However, you may initially experience an intense cold sensation that quickly numbs the area, which is a natural reaction. At Pretty and Perfect, we make sure the entire treatment is as comfortable as possible. We have cozy blankets ready for you, and if you'd like, we'll provide you with a charger in case your phone runs out of battery. Relaxing, watching a movie, or reading a book is recommended to pass the time. After 30 to 60 minutes, the practitioner will remove the applicator from your body and massage the treated area to relax the skin. Side effects. Potential side effects are rare, but when they appear, they're usually mild and can include temporary redness, bruising, swelling, numbness, itchiness, and tingling. These side effects typically resolve on their own within a few days after treatment. How to prepare and what's the aftercare? Before treatment, bring something to read or play with, such as your tablet or smartphone. Drink plenty of water. Eat a small snack to prevent nausea from the treatment. Wear loose, comfortable clothing. Don't drink alcohol at least 24 hours before treatment. Just before the treatment starts, take a toilet break to avoid interruptions. After treatment, wear loose clothes in case the treated area swells post-treatment. Swelling usually indicates good results and should subside within a few weeks. Using arnica cream may help with potential bruising. Stay hydrated by drinking at least 2 liters of water per day to support your body's natural processes for waste removal. Quit or minimize alcohol and cigarettes, as they can impede the recovery process. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, including a low-fat, low-carbohydrate diet with the last meal not eaten later than 2 hours before sleep. Daily jogging, walks, or exercise can help speed up the removal of fat cells. Full body massage is recommended to speed up dead fat cell removal. Avoid saunas, hot tubs, hot baths for 48 hours after treatment. Who is it for? The Fat Freezing Machine is not a weight loss device and doesn't treat overweight. The treatment works best for individuals who aren't overweight but have stubborn fat in specific areas. Contraindications. Cryolipolysis should not be performed on individuals who are obese or on areas of skin that are cut or injured, have severe varicose veins, dermatitis, or other skin problems. People with abnormal cold sensitivity or cold intolerance are not suitable candidates. The procedure is not recommended for individuals who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have specific health conditions, which will be discussed during your initial consultation. Cost of the treatment. The cost of fat freezing in Edinburgh varies depending on the number of sessions and the number of areas treated per session. Our guide prices for 2023. Chin area is priced at £120 for a single session or £320 for the package of 3 sessions paid up front. One other area is £200 for a single session or £550 for the package of 3 sessions paid up front. 2 areas done during the same visit are £275 for a single session or £750 for the package of 3 sessions paid up front. As you can see, it is significantly more affordable than surgical alternatives and also can deliver long-lasting results, boosting your confidence. In conclusion, if you're seeking a non-invasive, effective solution to your battle with stubborn fat, fat freezing may be the answer. It offers safety, affordability, and lasting results while avoiding the discomfort and downtime associated with surgical procedures. Trust the specialists in fat freezing treatment in Scotland. Book your free consultation at our cozy Edinburgh clinic using the link in the description. Thank you for your time with Pretty and Perfect Aesthetic and Skin Clinic, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content.